Here we go again on another adventure. This is Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida. And this is the main entrance gate. Universal Studios broke up in between 3 separate parks. Make sure you have a pass to get you from one park to the other. Volcano Bay is a water park, Islands of Adventure, and Universal Studios Florida. The 8th Voyage of Sinbad was located after Dr. Seuss and before the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. The final performance of The 8th Voyage of Sinbad was on September 15th, 2018, 4 years ago now. This is what it looks like today. The shops and stores are still open, but the signs have been removed. The 8th Voyage of Sinbad was a stunt show. Not to be confused with the 7th Voyage of Sinbad, a movie produced in 1958. My favorite creature in that movie was the Cyclops. This is what it looked like when it was open, a talking water fountain that still exists today. The Sinbad shield or medallion hanging in the archway has been removed. And here's what the archway looks like today without the medallion. Fortunately, we're still able to talk to the mystic water fountain.
Good morning. Hello?
Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
We're great. How come Sinbad's not here?
Sinbad went off onto his nice bit. He went on to his nice voyage about 2 years ago. We haven't seen him in all that time.
2 years?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's been about 2 years. He used to tell the story of his 8th voyage in the theater behind me. But then he went off on his nice voyage and we haven't seen him in a long time.
I would have loved to have seen that show.
Me too. All I have to do is hear the stories when he came out and told me. I miss him.
Very nice.
He rocks.
You're
He's my
right.
very good friend. What's your name, sir?
This is my wife Lynn. I'm Paul.
Lynn and Paul? Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Put together you're Paul Lynn?
Actually, it does say Paul Lynn on a lot of things.
Nice. Where are you from?
Minnesota.
All Lynn and 10,000 legs. Every one of them is one of my aunts wondering why I don't visit more. If you see any of them, you tell the cat off the line I miss them, okay?
We'll do that.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
You too. See you later, alligator.
Awesome.
Awesome.
And here's what it looks like today inside the theater. No actors, no monsters.
It was really good. I loved it. And then they would like fly.
Just imagine.
It was really cool.
They don't do this right no more?
No, I don't think so. I think they stopped after COVID. And they're just not starting it again. It's good. I like that a lot. And you got wet if you sat in the factory whistle.
Right behind you! Sinbad! Oh, I see they're busy! I'll meet you at the ship, okay? Why is it so hard to find good help these days? You idiot! Get him! God! Timber! You want some too? A little higher!
So they go Logan's kind of said, she said, the best things for your bag for a date with Paris. And she said, I love wearing fly bags, but there's so many practical things.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. Alright, wave bye, Lynn.